Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Epay gift card using Rewarble. Let's begin. First, go to the official website, rewarble.com. Once you're on the home page, scroll down and under top up section over here, you will see Epay. Now, this website actually offers you the opportunity to claim those gift cards, especially for restricted countries and regions. So redeem for ePay, enter the email address and your gift card code over here. Click on here and then redeem. On the next section, it's going to double check your email address once more. They're going to tell you how much balance is inside the gift card and how much you would like to redeem. Just confirm everything and they will start processing your request. And once it has been done, they will tell you that all of your gift card balance has now been transferred to your ePay account. You can check and everything should now reflect in there. That's it, you're done. I hope you found this video very helpful.